You're gonna stay home today.
Perfect.
You're done. No, down here. Go. Go. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. For those who are new here, my name is Tommy McGrath. We are back up in the North Woods. You guys are probably watching the spring videos right now. I was up here for 4 weeks. We had a delay in the Wi-Fi, so I had a little bit of a delay in the uploading the video. So if you guys just saw a bed fishing video the other day, you guys know why. So I'm actually up here with my mom, my dad, and my fiance who's behind the camera right now, Meg. Today's actually our 7-year anniversary, so I'll drop a comment. But we're actually gonna be going to a pretty decent sized lake. Some of the lakes we normally fish have not really been producing for the smallmouth and bass bite. I think it's just due to all the boating traffic, the pressure through the 4th of July. Today is the 5th. Hopefully we can film a good video for you guys. I'm really excited to get out there. I think the bite's actually gonna be extremely good. We got overcast. We're gonna have like a high of 79 today, and then sun popping out later today in the afternoon. And then we're gonna be doing like a steak dinner for me and Meg tonight. Maybe take the camera along, but we're hitting bumps. Meg's trying to keep the camera steady. So I will talk to you guys once we get there. We actually have to pull my dad's boat because my boat's in the shop, so we're gonna pull his boat and shoot to the launch, and then I will talk to you guys from there. All right, guys, we made it out here. We have the boat launched. We have a bunch of rods up there. My mom, my dad right here. Got the Hog Hunter shirt on. Meg's back here vibing. I'm excited, guys. We are gonna go back to our roots today. We are going to be throwing live bait, Ned rigs. We're gonna be throwing everything and anything. Hopefully we can find a really productive bass bite. And it's pretty much this exact lake and a few other ones is literally where I learned to fish, throwing live bait, throwing plastics, literally throwing all of it. So I'm excited to kind of go back to the roots. It's more of a video of just fishing today with the family, and with the 4 of us, I think we can honestly put a beat down on these fish. So I'll come back to you guys in a little bit. I'll toss in the chest. See you guys soon. All right, guys, today's setup is a St. Croix Legend Elite 7-foot medium fast action. This is a Daiwa Tatula 15-pound braid to a 10-pound fluorocarbon leader with a 10-ounce Ned rig hook and a Sakoshi bug is the setup for today. All right, guys, this is a Mega Live right here. We actually have a mount, so this will sit right here. This goes in super easy. Just tighten it down. And then I did have these disconnected from yesterday. All right, so this, I've noticed, so I turned the auto off, but forward is how I kind of search for fish. So that's actually already a fish right there, pretty much right beneath the boat. Coming off the bottom a little bit, but it actually has down landscape. I've not touched the landscape yet, but down and forward, down is obviously be like vertical jigging. But if I just move this, so if I wanna look that way, or if I wanna look this way, so out that way about 50 feet, it actually drops to 25 feet. So we're gonna be doing some deep water fishing today. We're actually sitting about 9 feet, 25 feet that way, about 12 that way. And obviously it's gonna go gradually up the shoreline here. On, oh, lost it already. This is gonna be a beat down. Oh shit. Oh, it's a nice smallmouth.
I hate fishing the sun.
All right, first actual bass of the day, little smallie. There you go.
Yeah, nice. It's not the right species.
We'll get there though. There we go, finally. No. No. Little largy.
No way, nice.
You want one of me? Hey guys, my first fish, little dink. That's 2 bass and a rock bass. Oh. Oh, a little better. Oh, that's a better one. Is that a smallie? Please be a smallie. No, I'm good. These fish fight so hard in this lake. Oh no, it's just a large, nice largemouth. Damn, look at that thing. All right, guys, another fish on the Ned.
Exactly, you thought it was funny when it gets me, but now the fishing guys are saying, okay, right back at you.
Oh, that's a nice one.
be doubling up this.
See, Mom, I'm telling you, just
Double up.
no way.
Yep.
Guys, I'm hooked up. Oh, that's a nice one. Small weight, I think. All right, we got a largie here. Then I'm gonna unhook. The guy's little largemouth. I'll put him right back. And Kev.
Thank you.
What do you think, Dad?
It's always fun when you double up.
First double up of the day, and a nice smallmouth too.
It's a beautiful one.
There you go, Dad.
Yeah. A little small action.
They're getting a little bigger.
Double up, baby.
Good job.
All right.
Get a fish. Let's get a nice release. That pretty much puts us at what, 10, 11 fish, you think?
Those two about 10. Yeah.
Well, 11. Look at that. That was so sweet.
Yeah. Is it a largemouth?
Yeah. Is this the same fish? No, I ripped the shit out of his lips on that last one.
Dickhead is a son.
An ass hat for a dad. I might crush a sandwich soon. A little sandy. Cast like a little bit in. I'll give you some room. Like cast parallel with me now. Oh, first one. All right, guys, spot number 2, hooked up. Also, I will go over my rod setup. Forgot to do that. No, you're just dogging. It's a nice one though. So you come to this spot for a little bit bigger largemouth, and there's some really, really big smallmouth here too. The largemouth up in the North Woods don't get as big. They have smaller growing periods. But this one is actually not a bad fish. Here we go, guys. Unfortunately.
Can I take a picture? We reenact this.
Oh, double up. The second double up of the day. All right, guys, there's one. There's 2. We'll come to Meg now. Get a cool release. Easy release. Good job, Meg. All right, guys, first 5 minutes of being in the new spot, we already have 2 largemouth. We gotta get my mom hooked up here, that's the goal. Oh, one just grabbing the fuck. You on?
Oh, nice, Jeff.
Oh.
Well, it's a pretty decent one here. Right in the roof of the mouth. There you go.
Another nice largemouth.
Another nice smallmouth.
Another nice smallmouth.
Okay.
All right, they're bitey today. They're bitey. That was sick. No! They're just everywhere.
Oh, nice one.
Dad, bring it to me.
What the f is it?
Not a nice one.
I don't know.
All right, guys, so another fish for Kev on the Lindy. Another bass.
No.
Oh, finally.
Yeah,
There you go.
finally, Mom.
I got it. It's a nice one. Come on.
Oh, that is a good one.
Holy shit.
There you go, Mom.
That's a beauty.
Good job, Mom. Here you go, Mom. How's it feel?
Amazing. I needed this.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Great.
Let's get a nice release.
Here you go. This is seriously insane. It's like every cast. There you go, mother hen.
Not that big, but I'll take it.
There you go.
Nice.
Good job, Kat.
We gotta have at least 20, 30 bass in the boat already, wouldn't you say? Yep. Just that's literally how the bite is. That was so sweet. Better one. It's not really. Another nice one. We caught 3 more off camera too, right when my GoPro died. These Sakoshi bugs are doing work.
Holy shit.
Oh, man.
Oh. That's a nice one. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
that's a real nice one.
That's a beautiful one.
Tommy.
I like
Here you go,
that
Mom.
one.
That's actually a really nice
That's a
largemouth.
beautiful one.
This is the biggest largemouth of the day.
Yeah.
Or one of them.
Sweet.
Here you go, Mom. That's a nice one.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Good fish.
Thank you.
When you can bomb a crawler out on a Lindy and it doesn't.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Wow, back-to-back cast. Just letting it sit. No, you're good. I'm gonna get some comment now on YouTube. You're not supposed to reel against the drag. Skinny. Dad, you want one of these Sakoshi bugs? They're not even getting chewed up because they're stretchy.
I'm just trying a couple different things, see what's working. The leeches aren't.
Oh my God, I'm on again. 3 for 3 on cast. 3 for 3.
You're not even working it.
Ooh, you feisty.
The Eagles, you go.
An absolute beatdown. The first bobber drop. Largemouth.
That's a nice one.
That's actually a pretty nice one. Ooh, right in the corner. Oh, you flicked your crawler off. The hog hunter and the hog.
All right, Mac, I just want to say we didn't do anything.
That was a great cast. That's a nice smallmouth.
Oh, nice.
Get a picture of that.
Here, I'll open my bail.
And this is why we come here. There you go.
How many pounds do you think this is?
3 1/4. I don't think it's your biggest snapper. I think you.
This is my biggest ever, I can promise you.
Really?
This is huge. Gorgeous smallie.
We're 100% over 40 fish, without a doubt. All right, guys, we're gonna be going to one last spot of the evening. It is 4:15 right now. We have been out for pretty much 4 or 5 hours. I'd say we have close to 50, 60 fish. It's been a really, really good day. The biggest being that 3.5 pound smallmouth that my mom caught that she thinks is her PB. I just gotta look at a few pictures. We're gonna go to one last spot though. Hopefully we can wrap it out with a pretty good bite. This next spot is gonna be largemouth and smallmouth again, and maybe a bonus walleye. But all right, I'll see you guys there. I don't know, this is a really nice fish. Yeah. All right, guys, this is my first cast. I just turned the GoPro. Ooh, it's definitely caught in weeds though. Oh, I don't think this is big now. I think it was just caught in weeds. It was. Nice. Sorry, Dad. All right, guys, I thought I had a giant. I just caught in a bunch of weeds. First fish, last spot of the evening.
Thank you.